we don't have the database features with this Dreamweaver specific version is because we need
So
to
this is
actually
where
go and activate it, because by default it is not activated. So the way to apparently activate this is to go to your C drive and then go to your program files, Adobe, Dreamweaver CC, and then we got to look for a specific file that says plugins, and let's see if we can get something going here. So I'm just looking for the file that we need to actually get um, the extra disabled features enabled. So it's in one of these files. I'm just looking around just to see if I can get that file for us. Ah, there we go. Disabled features. If we click on disabled features, what we're all looking for is the server behavior panel and support. What we want to do is we want to actually go ahead and install that. Once once you double click on it, it will start installing. Now it's installing on my secondary screen. So what it's doing is it's just unfortunately I cannot drag it over for you to have a look at it. So, but basically what it asks is that we quit Dreamweaver. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to quit Dreamweaver and I'm going to retry. So for those that don't know where disabled features are located, so if you go to your program files, you go to Adobe and then Dreamweaver CC. Now once you're in the Dreamweaver CC files, you would navigate to configuration, and when you're in configuration, you would go to disable features, and we'll make sure that we have depreciated um, depreciated server behavior panel and support activated. You can also go and activate ASP.NET support and ASP.js support. At this stage, we're not going to use this, but you can see that it's installed into my extension manager. So I'm just going to close my extension manager. I'm going to reopen up my Dreamweaver and let's see if that is showing that what we want to show. So basically what we want to do is we want to click on Windows and make sure that databases are activated, and you can see that it is currently active. The first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that that Dreamweaver is connected to our databases. So we're just going to click we're going to make sure that number one, the creator site for this file is everything is active, everything's working, that you've got it ticked. Now, for some reason, mine is not selected on the one that we've already created. So I'm just going to make sure that it knows that I have these servers already established and logged in. Okay, so this is all grayed out, and we got to figure out why this is all grayed out. This is not a good indication. So one of the reasons why Dreamweaver deactivated this is because it's very clunky. It's depreciated technology, but for the training we have to kind of work with this um, to understand the server database behavior of it in general. This makes it a lot easier to understand. So I'm just basically playing around until I can get the stage where we can actually get this grayed out. Okay, so apparently it's popping up when I create a new PHP file. So the first thing that we want to do is just want to open up a PHP file. I'm going to change this back to my remote view, my remote server. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to MySQL connection, and then I'm going to say connection name. I'm just going to call it a local host. Now the MySQL server would be your FTP details. Now this is my Okay, cool. That's password. Okay. The username, of course, would be username of your MySQL database, and the password would be the password. So what you can do is you can actually go ahead and test that. It's saying please specify the MySQL database, so we can go and hit select. If everything goes well, then it would give you the option to actually, let me just do this. If everything goes well, it will give you the option to choose the specific database. So now I just got to troubleshoot and figure out why this is not doing what I want it to do. See if this works. Basically, what I'm going to figure out now is on what port is this MySQL running. Maybe I should add a port to it to make it working. Hmm. So basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out what how are we going to get our Dreamweaver local on an external device to actually get connected to our database. This is not an issue though. This is just if we were to use the Dreamweaver, and I actually wanted us to use Dreamweaver due to the fact that it's a very good way to understand how to get things going on with creating a login module and so forth. It's not important though. I'm just going to